Ready to ditch those stiff, default Roblox character movements and breathe life into your own creations? Let's jump in. First things first, you need the animation editor. Head over to the Plugins tab in Roblox Studio. If you haven't already installed the official animation editor plugin, just search for it and click install. Now, open the animation editor and select a character rig to animate. The animation editor is where all the magic happens. You'll see a timeline, your character, and all the tools you need. The timeline represents the progression of time in your animation, and the rig is our puppet. Let's start posing. Click on a body part like an arm or leg. You'll see rotation handles appear. Use these handles to rotate and position that limb. Experiment with different poses. The first frame sets the base, from which other movements build upon. Keyframes are crucial. Move the timeline slider forward a bit. Then, adjust your character's pose again. This creates a new keyframe. The animation editor will automatically interpolate the movement between these keyframes. Hit play to preview your animation. See how the character moves between your poses. Adjust the keyframe timing and poses until you get the look you want. Shorter intervals mean faster movements. Longer intervals, slower movements. Tweaking is key. Fine-tune your animation further by adjusting the animation speed and loop settings. A slower speed can emphasize smooth transitions, while loop ensures you are continuously seeing your animation in sequence. Once you're happy, export your animation as a Roblox animation asset. Give it a descriptive name, and grab the animation ID. This ID is what you'll use to apply your animation to characters in your game. Now, to put your animation to use scripting to load and play the animation on your character. This involves inserting an animation object into your character and using the animation track to play it. And boom, you've made a Roblox animation. And that's it, you've successfully created your own Roblox animation. Keep practicing, experimenting with different poses and timing, and you'll be animating like a pro in no time. So, did this help you take your first steps into animation? If choosing specific poses and body movements thrills you, give this video a like. If the idea of bringing your characters to life excites you, hit subscribe. If the concept of creating new worlds and animations that speaks to you more, leave a comment. And if seeing your Roblox characters move and dance made you smile, give it a like.